Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually on a roll today. This is the third video that I'm filming today, which is pretty good because I took a very long unexpected break from filming. So I'm really trying to make sure that I get some video filmed for you guys. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to call this video yet, but obviously by the time you see it, it will have a title. But these are like the top things every girl needs, and I say needs because obviously, you know, we don't need any of these products, but you know, if you want to have, you know, some staple things in your arsenal, these are the things that I think, you know, us ladies should have. The brands, you know, pick and choose whatever you like. These are just the ones that I like, but these type of products I feel like, you know, we should have in our arsenal. So the first thing that I will talk about is concealer. So whether you're into makeup or not, or maybe you just have like super perfect flawless skin, and kudos to you, I wish I did too, but whether you are or aren't into makeup, concealer is like something that is awesome to have. I will list all the shades and links and everything like that in the description box below, as I normally do. But you want to have a concealer that is in your shade so that you can, like I said, cover any kind of hyperpigmentation, discoloration, blemishes, anything like that. And then you want to have one that's a couple shades lighter. I don't like to go too light. I keep it maybe like a shade or two lighter, maybe even just like one shade. I don't like a super bright under eye. I just want to look like a little more awake and refreshed, but I don't want to look like this layer of concealer under my eyes, so I don't go down too many shades. I just love to have a good mascara combo. So these are the three that I love. Like I said, a primer, a lengthening one, and a volumizing one. The next thing that I think you should have is an awesome bronzer. So bronzer for me, I don't really do too much contouring. Every once in a blue moon when I feel like I want to go all out for my makeup, I might do a little bit of contouring. But for the most part, I just do like simple bronzing, which I kind of put in the area that the sun would hit. So it's kind of like right here, and right here. So you could say it's like an M or a 3 or an E. This is one that I love by Makeup Forever. So a bronzer, once again, like for me, I just like to have that kind of like lit within type of like warm glow, not like a highlighter type of glow, but just that like warmth. Like if you have a solid, you know, face of foundation, or you don't have any makeup on or whatever, but your face is just kind of like flat. So not the concealer, the bronzer just kind of adds a little bit of dimension and warmth to your face. So definitely find an awesome bronzer. The next thing is foundation. So if you are into foundation, I think you should have a liquid foundation and a powder foundation. And the liquid could be like a cream one too. I do that sometimes as well. But I like a really easy breezy type of look. So this is one that I've been raving about for years. It's the Naked Skin One and Done by Urban Decay. So if you like a full coverage, if you like a super natural coverage, if you want to wear something that don't want to go to the gym, or you want to wear something that you can, you know, go out, you know, on a little fancier night or whatever, this one is awesome. Every time I wear it, I'm like, why did I take a break from it? Because it's so awesome. And then the powder foundation. So you can have a powder foundation that you wear as an extra layer over your regular foundation, or you can have the powder foundation that you just kind of wear alone with concealer. So when I want to like take a break from wearing liquid foundation on my skin, I will definitely go with a powder foundation. This one is by Benefit. It's the Hello Flawless one. I've been using this for years, and it just kind of gives you like a super soft glow and just kind of like smooths out your face. Okay, so the next thing I think every girl needs to have is a nude lip gloss. Lip gloss or lipstick, whatever. I'm a lip gloss type of girl, so a nude lip liner, a nude lipstick, or lip gloss. So for me, my lips are very pigmented. You guys always comment on like, what are you wearing on your lips? And to me, it always looks the same because number one, I like to go with a nude. I do have like, you know, colorful, not colorful, but like, you know, red or pinks or like more bold colored lipsticks. But lipstick to me is just like so much work. I rarely ever wear lipstick. I just love to do like a gloss because it's so much less maintenance, and I just don't like to look super made up. So I feel like lipstick makes me look super done up. So I just do a neutral gloss. This one is by bareMinerals and it's the Tantalizing Honey. I love this one. And then I have these two lip liners, which kind of match my natural shade of lip. And this is the one by Makeup Forever, which is waterproof, the Aqua Lip. And then this is Cork by MAC. This one's a little deeper, but like I said, my lips are already very pigmented, and so if you want your gloss to kind of last, you can kind of line it first with a nude lip liner and then put your gloss over, and then when the gloss wears off, you still kind of have that, you know, neat pigmentation underneath from your lip liner. So brows are super important to me. I think that brows can either make or break your face. They make such a dramatic difference on your face. Personally, I have very thick brows. I really don't do much to it. I just kind of lightly fill it in any sparse areas. Yeah, I don't do like, you know, I don't do too much. I just kind of like make it look a little neater. I really could just go without doing anything to it, but I'm so used to seeing it like a little perfected that I just kind of do that all the time. But you need a good brow pencil, which I forgot to bring over here. So a brow pencil, I love the one by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really love all Anastasia Beverly Hills brow products. Like, those are my go-to products. If you want a more natural look, I really love the brow pen by Anastasia. And then you always want to kind of set your brows. Why does noise always have to happen when I want to film? They want to mow the lawn in the middle of the day when I'm trying to film. Why? That is so annoying, and I feel like they're literally right outside. So if you can hear that, I apologize. As I was saying, I think I was talking about setting your brows. I always love to set my brows just to kind of keep them in place. I just kind of like them to look, you know, nice and neat and standing the way that they should and not all over the place. So brow gel sets it really well. The next thing that is super important is sunscreen. I have a whole video dedicated to sunscreen, so I will link it below if you haven't checked it out. But it doesn't matter where you live, it doesn't matter what your complexion is, it doesn't matter anything about you physically. Everybody needs sunscreen. People like to debate that, you know, people with more melanin in their skin don't need sunscreen. The sun is going to get you no matter what you look like. There are different things in the environment that kind of get into your skin, so you always want to make sure that you protect your skin. So two of my favorite things my favorite sunscreens are this one for the face. This is by Shiseido, and this is more if you are on the oilier side. This kind of mattifies your face a little bit, but I do have another one that I mentioned in my video if you don't have oily skin. And then anytime your body is going to be exposed, you want to wear a sunscreen on your body. So the one I've been loving this summer is the Bum Bum Soul Oil. This is SPF 30, and this is an illuminating protection oil. So this is like a dry oil, and there's like a little bit of like glow in it, which I'm all about the glow when you're showing some skin, but it's also protecting your body as well from the sun. And it smells really good. This is like my go-to scent, this Bum Bum scent. I have like all the products from it. So the next thing I think that we all should have is some type of glow product. So if you don't want to spend the money on like specific glow products, you can always use some Shea Butter, which I use Shea Butter all the time. I love it. It just kind of gives like a really natural lit from within glow to your skin. I have some on now, but I don't know if you guys can tell, but Shea Butter is awesome. You can use it in your hair, on your hands. I use it on my hands every day, my feet, my body, everywhere. But if you want to do a little bit more than some Shea Butter, I love to use this Rio Sunset Glow Oil. So this is a translucent, transfer resistant shimmer for body and face. Haven't used it on my face, but basically that's what it is. It's just like a glowy liquid illuminator. I will pump some in my hands, and then I will kind of rub it, you know, on my arms, my legs, my chest, anywhere that's exposed. And I don't like glitter. Like, I don't like to see chunky glitter on me anywhere, whether it's on my face or my body, anywhere. So this just kind of gives you like a subtle glow, where it's like if you know, turn into the sun in a direction or whatever, then you're gonna see like a nice glow. And this color I felt kind of went well with my complexion, so I don't have it on now obviously, but it just like gives like a really nice glow. I'm actually gonna post like a little Instagram video kind of showing my little glow routine, so if you're not already following me on Instagram, make sure you are so you can see that. After I put my glow oil on, I will take this little travel size opal highlighter from Becca and this like big kabuki brush from I think it's Eco Tools. I was about to say Eco Styler from Eco Tools, and I'll show you guys a little bit how it looks. I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but I literally just go like this, and then you see that glow? Like, that's what I like, that subtle lit from within glow. So I'll put that on my shoulders, I'll put that on like my décolleté, this little bones right here, and I'll put that on my chest, on my legs, anywhere that is exposed, especially like this area, and it just gives such a pretty glow. Like, I just think it looks so pretty. So glow products are a must if you're going to be showing especially this area. I think it just looks so feminine and pretty. So the next thing that I'll show you guys is fragrance. So I am someone that loves to smell good and luxurious and fruity and clean and all that kind of stuff. So, but I'm super sensitive to scents. I've literally only found one perfume so far in my whole life that I can actually wear, which is the Dolce & Gabbana No. 3. For a while I thought they had discontinued it, but when I checked the other day, it was actually at Sephora. So they do have it back. They didn't discontinue it. I guess people were complaining because this is like the only scent I can wear, so I'm glad that they still have it. But this is like a nice, fresh, fruity type of scent. It has like a hint of kiwi in it, and I've been wearing this for years. And then the other scent that I've really been loving this summer is by the same brand, the Sol de Janeiro, and this is the Brazilian Crush. So before I discovered this perfume, I would literally only wear like body sprays from Victoria's Secret because I just can't handle perfumes. Like, they make me nauseous and give me a headache. But these two have been like my go-to scents, and I love them. So if you haven't tried these out, definitely try it. If you guys have any recommendations on scents, you're like me and can't take like a super strong scent, then definitely, you know, let me know which ones you guys are into. I know there's a Tom Ford one that I heard was really good. I haven't gone to smell it yet, but I need to check that one out. But yeah, that is it. These are all my like must-have girly products that you need to have in your arsenal of products. And yeah, I feel like I kind of forgot what I was supposed to say since I haven't filmed in so long, but I will link everything below for you guys. And make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I post videos. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, then make sure you follow me on Instagram, On My Loves too. And any relevant videos that I listed, as well as all the products, I will make sure to link below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.